Hey, welcome to the Arty Loon Show. I am your host, Arty Loon, and today we have another segment of our Arty's Magic Corner, teaching you another amazing magic you can do within a matter of minutes. Today, we have the amazing Paperclip. You're gonna love it.
Are you ready to learn this amazing magic trick? Well, stick around for the fun.
Check this out. Your job is to try to get this paperclip, that's right, this paperclip, onto our little joker friend. Check this out. Ready? Easy enough. At least it seems like it. Watch this. We're gonna go ahead and put our little paperclip on our friend. Let's see. But you're not gonna be able to see it. Check this out. Ready? I think he's right in the middle. Boom. There he goes. Let's see if I got our little joker friend. Oh, just missed him. How does it work? Well, stick around for the lesson.
How did Arty do it? How was that little paperclip able to jump from one card to another? To find out, stick around for the secret.
Welcome back to the secret of your fun magic paperclip. How is that little paperclip able to jump from one card to another? Well, the secret's in the card. You see, the way it's printed, you're never going to be able to actually put that paperclip onto our little joker friend. One side is printed in one direction, and the other side is printed in another. So, the middle card from the back will never match up with our little joker friend. Ready for your lesson? It's a fun one. Stick around.
Learn what it takes to perform this amazing magic trick. Stick around for your lesson.
Welcome to your fun magic paperclip lesson. Here's how you perform this trick. You show your card. Here's the idea. You tell your friend, you're going to go ahead and paperclip our little joker friend. Easy enough, right? Well, you hand them the paperclip, you then go ahead and present the card. But wait, you then tell them you're not going to be able to see our joker friend, so you turn the card around. Just like that. Now you ask them, go ahead, try to catch our little joker friend. Because the card is printed incorrectly, they'll never ever get their joker friend. They see the joker friend in the middle, but when you turn the card around, they think the middle card is the joker friend. Of course you know it's not, because of the way the card is printed. You then hand them the paperclip, they aim for the card in the middle. You then ask them, are you sure? Of course, because they think they just saw the joker friend in the middle. You then turn the card around to show they've completely missed the joker friend. Easy enough, right? This one takes no practice whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Also, if you have any questions, make sure to keep them in the comments below. And of course, stay tuned for all the fun. My name is Arty Loon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.